Essential oils have gained immense popularity for their aromatic and potential therapeutic properties. However, it's crucial to use them safely and effectively. This guide will walk you through the essential steps for using essential oils and highlight 6 of the most common oils. Understanding essential oils. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts obtained through distillation or cold pressing. They contain volatile aromatic compounds that give plants their distinctive scents and potential beneficial properties. General safety guidelines: always dilute essential oils before applying to the skin. Perform a patch test before using a new oil. Keep oils away from eyes, ears, and mucous membranes. Store oils in a cool, dark place out of reach of children and pets. Never ingest essential oils unless under the guidance of a qualified professional. Use caution when pregnant, nursing, or have medical conditions. Research each oil's specific safety guidelines before use. Methods of use. Aromatherapy. Inhaling essential oils is one of the safest methods of use. Use a diffuser. Add 3 to 5 drops of oil to water in a diffuser. Direct inhalation. Place 1 to 2 drops on a tissue and inhale. Steam inhalation. Add 1 to 2 drops to a bowl of hot water. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam. Topical application. Always dilute essential oils before applying them to the skin. Dilution ratios. For adults, 2 to 3% dilution, which is 12 to 18 drops per ounce of carrier oil. For children and sensitive skin, 1% dilution, which is 6 drops per ounce of carrier oil. Common carrier oils include coconut oil, jojoba oil, and almond oil. Apply to pulse points, bottoms of feet, or affected areas. Bath and shower. Add 5 to 10 drops of diluted essential oil to a warm bath. Place a few drops on a washcloth and hang in the shower. Cleaning and home use. Add to homemade cleaning solutions. Use in a spray bottle with water for air freshening. 6 common essential oils and their uses. Lavender, also known as Lavandula angustifolia, is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. Safe uses include diffusing for relaxation and better sleep, applying diluted to the skin for minor burns, cuts, and insect bites, adding to bath water for stress relief, and using in linen sprays for freshness. However, precautions should be taken as it may cause skin irritation in some individuals. Additionally, it can have a sedative effect, so use caution when driving or operating machinery. Peppermint or Mentha piperita oil is refreshing and may help with digestion and headaches. Safe uses include diffusing for mental clarity and energy, and applying diluted to temples and neck for headache relief. Just be sure to avoid the eyes. Adding to foot baths for a cooling effect, and using in homemade cleaning solutions. But remember, avoid using it on children under 6 as it may interfere with certain medications and can cause skin irritation if used undiluted. Tea tree, also known as Melaleuca alternifolia, is renowned for its antimicrobial properties. It's quite versatile and can be used in a number of ways. For instance, you can add it to your shampoo to promote scalp health. When diluted, it can be applied to the skin for minor cuts and scrapes. Diffusing tea tree oil helps purify the air, and you can even add it to homemade cleaning products for an extra boost. However, there are some precautions you should keep in mind. Never ingest tea tree oil, as it can be toxic. It may cause skin irritation in some people, so always do a patch test first. And, very importantly, keep it away from pets, especially cats. Eucalyptus, also known as Eucalyptus globulus. Eucalyptus oil is often used for respiratory support. Safe uses include diffusing during cold and flu season, adding to steam inhalation for congestion relief, using diluted in chest rubs, and adding to cleaning solutions for a fresh scent. But there are some precautions to keep in mind. Do not use on or near the face of infants or young children. It may interact with certain medications, and you should avoid it if you have epilepsy or high blood pressure. Lemon or citrus limon. Lemon oil is uplifting and often used in cleaning. Safe uses include diffusing for a mood boost, adding to water for a refreshing surface cleaner, using in homemade furniture polish, and adding to shampoo for shine. However, there are some precautions. Lemon oil is phototoxic, so avoid sun exposure after topical use. It may cause skin irritation in some individuals, and it can erode tooth enamel if used in the mouth. Frankincense, also known as Boswellia carteri. Frankincense is valued for its grounding and potentially anti-inflammatory properties. Safe uses include diffusing for meditation and relaxation, applying diluted to the skin for potential anti-aging benefits, using in massage blends for soothing muscles, and adding to bath water for stress relief. But keep in mind, it may interfere with blood clotting, should be avoided during pregnancy without professional guidance, and can cause skin irritation in some individuals. Essential oils can be an excellent addition to your wellness routine when used safely and appropriately. Always research each oil thoroughly, start with small amounts, and discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. When in doubt, consult with a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare provider. Remember, essential oils are potent substances. Respect their power, use them wisely, and enjoy their many benefits as part of a balanced approach to health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. This video is not sponsored. Some of the links provided may be affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel and allows me to continue creating helpful content. Thank you for your support. And remember, Brown Mike says,